Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. We had a jam-packed week full of regional qualifiers over the weekend, 9 to be exact. A recap of all the racing action, plus the latest pilot standings coming up. Also, we got 4 well-known pilots to join us in a live stream discussion to talk about everything FPV. Details on the special stream straight ahead. Then you've been patiently waiting for the release date. When will the 2018 MultiGP Regional Final Track make its debut? Soon, we'll tell you the details ahead. All this coming up on MultiGP News.
Once upon a time in the West. Sure sounds like a fairy tale. Go on and ask the contenders. They'll tell you it's more like a nightmare. Best regional we've ever seen. Could be. Shoot, you want to reach the promised land? You'll have to go through the young guns. The wild bunch. The bad company. An outlaw. And a whole lot of true grit. Meanwhile, down in Texas, there's a Lone Star. Maverick. Few Silverados that ain't done yet. Surviving the good, the bad, and the ugly. This, my friends, is MultiGP Regional Series. The road to the National Championship begins here.
MultiGP invited 4 well-known pilots to a live stream later this week to talk about everything FPV, including 4S versus Open and more. Join us for a great back and forth with Brian Brain Drain Morris, Ryan Retorius Evans, Corey C-Train Yates, and our very own 2017 MultiGP National Champ, Alex Captain Vanover. Hear what we ask these pilots and join our live stream to ask them a few questions of your own. Tune in Thursday, May 10th at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time sharp on our MultiGP YouTube channel at youtube.com/MultiGP. MultiGP News, where drone racing comes first. Here's the MultiGP rundown. We are rushing through the 2018 Regional Series. What a busy week packed with 9 different qualifiers, 6 of which were in the Southeast region and 2 in the Southwest. And the very first regional qualifier in the Northeast took flight. Check it out. Week 5 of regional qualifiers kicked off with a bang in the Southeast.
Oh, yeah! You did it! You did it? Yep.
Yeah, you did it.
901 FPV and Music City Multi-Rotor hosted back-to-back qualifiers in Tennessee. On Saturday, Alex Chief Campbell raised the bar and took the lead nationally, setting the very first 8-lap run in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Qualifiers with 22 laps in 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
What's up, guys? I'm Alex the Chief Campbell, and this week we're going to talk a little bit about what it's like to do 8 laps on the Regional Qualifier track for the current TQ spot in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series. The biggest hurdles that I had to face to finish the 8th lap was definitely the efficiency side of it. You know, we have quads that'll run 2 minutes all day as hard as we can fly them, but then they throw in the bonus lap, which makes us go for a whole other, 22 seconds is what mine was. So not only did you have to have the pace to do 7 laps in under 2 minutes to get the bonus lap, you had to do that and then finish the whole extra lap after you did it. That was by far, to me, not only in the regional series, but every other MultiGP race, that's always the hardest part of it, Speed is the easy part. Getting the setup to go that long at that fast has always been the struggle for me. So this is what the 8-lap quad is. It's the Pyro Flip RC Floss Tube 5mm arms. Love it. It keeps all my equipment safe. I have a nice camera mount for it that allows for the 70 tilt. It keeps everything super safe, even in hard hits. I rarely ever break anything, even carbon on these quads. does a good job at that, and I think that's definitely what I'll be flying for the rest of the season. As far as powertrain goes, we've got the Hyperlight 2207 1722 kV. In my opinion, the best 2 minutes finish your lap motor on the market.
On Sunday, unexpected downpours held pilots back from going all out, but many still managed to put in 5 or 6 laps. Then another doubleheader, this one in North Carolina. Fayetteville multi-rotor and Raleigh rotor racers set up the 2-day event. Saturday, Dave Maker FPV Schlitter snagged first with 20 laps in 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Sunday, he took down first again with 18 laps in 5 minutes and 59 seconds. The final qualifiers in the Southeast wrapped up in Florida with 2 days of racing action. Emerald Coast and Pensacola FPV racers hosted the race. Our very own MultiGP media ambassador Daniel Darkstar FPV Hefner ended up taking third on Sunday. Now moving to the southwest region of the country, on Saturday in Bakersfield, California, Drone Kern Racing League had one of the fastest pilots in the West Coast show up to compete. Andy Dolma FPV Marchilian nailed that race, taking first with 21 laps in 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Sunday, 775 FPV set up their qualifiers in Reno, Nevada. Matthew Chewy FPV Nordit took down first with 18 laps in 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Cooper Supa Koopa Groves making it out third with 16 laps in 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Then the first regional qualifier in the Northeast wrapped up. River City Racers hosted the race in Mechanicsville, Virginia. William Bilster Schutte earning the number 1 spot in that qualifier with 21 laps in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Here are the top pilots by region so far. And here are your current national standings in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Qualifier. Did you see? Alex Chief Campbell pushed ahead with full force, claiming the number 1 spot on the MultiGP National Leaderboard. Chief flew the very first 22-lap run in 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is the total of his best 3 rounds of 5. Alex Captain Vanover did mention running 8 laps in 2 minutes and 18 seconds in practice rounds, but quickly corrected himself after reviewing his DVR and finding a missed flag on lap number 2 in the corkscrew section. The next regional qualifier on the schedule coming up are both on Saturday, May 12th, one in Las Vegas, Nevada for the Southwest region, and another along the Palm Coast in Florida for Southeast region. You've heard it before, the top 100 pilots per region will advance to the regional final. Visit multigp.com, click on the championship tab, and select the 2018 regional qualifier schedule. And big news for all pilots competing in the 2018 regional series. MultiGP will announce and release the new regional final track this Friday, May 11th. Keep an eye out for social media posts for the long-awaited regional final track this week. Also, to set up your chapter's qualifier race, log on to multigp.com, proceed to your MultiGP chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and select Create a Regional Qualifier. Want to compete in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series as an international pilot? It's easy. Just visit multigp.com, click on the Championship tab, and select International Pilots. As a reminder, the MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. MultiGP is planning a second World Cup track at the 2018 MultiGP International Open X-Class, a vendor village, surprises, and lots of great flying. That's it for this week's MultiGP news. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'm Kalara Menade, reporting for MultiGP News. If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.